welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be doing a video on Korean food sold at Trader Joe's. So I really had to look and dig to find all the items that I thought were Korean. So I have like a drink, I have some snacks and some foods. Today we're going to be giving you guys our honest opinions on them. So let's go and take a look at what's in my bag. So the first item that I got is the Korean roasted barley tea. And so this is also called 보리차 in Korean. I always have this at home, like in a pitcher in the fridge, so that I can have it cold and also enjoy it hot if I want after I brew it. So let's see how this tastes. And next I have kimchi, and this is fermented Napa cabbage. This is very, very spicy. So if you guys have never tried this, you have to be careful when you try it for the first time because it is on the spicier side. And I have, this was found in like that chip snack aisle. I have two types of kim, which is dried seaweed. This one I have right here is just a regular with sea salt. And this one was actually wasabi. And I really like wasabi, so I'm like really curious to see how this one's gonna taste. The next one I have is a Korean-inspired bulgogi beef fried rice with kimchi. And so Grace and I, neither of us have tried this yet. That's why we're really excited to taste this one. Next one we have is scallion pancakes, which is also called pajeon in Korean. And Grace and I have tried this plenty of times, and whether it's like Korean food at Trader Joe's or just the regular things we get, this is always rated at our top 5 favorite items carried at Trader Joe's. And last but not least, we have our Korean style beef short ribs, also known as galbi. So now that we are done introducing all the foods that we got, let's start cooking. Ooh, this is very sticky. So this is how it's packaged in the bag. We're gonna be sticking the galbi and the pancakes into the air fryer because it really does make it crispy and it's kind of mess free. So put this on, it says medium to high heat and cook for 7 minutes. That already looks good, right? Now we're gonna do a taste test. Let's start with some barley tea.
Does it taste like barley tea?
It does taste like 보리차, but it's very, it's like pungent. Like you really taste a lot of it. Do you wanna try? You gotta try this one. Right?
Oh, yeah.
It's like that barley like scent is very, very strong.
Yeah, I think the one that normally like you make or people I know make it, they kind of make it a little more watery. But this one is very pungent.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just a lot stronger than I thought it would be.
But it's not like bitter at the end either.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Okay, and next is kimchi.
Can I get a chocolate? I want to try it.
It's like really fermented, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
Super fermented. You think it's salty because it's so acidic, but like the end taste is not salty.
I wouldn't say it's super authentic, but it does get the point of kimchi across. But it is very fermented.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the top of my favorite kimchi.
Yeah. Like if you guys want kimchi, Probably should go on a trip to the Korean grocery store. And next I'm gonna try the regular seaweed. Just tastes like kim. It's good.
It was good.
Right?
I will say though, kim has more like sesame oil flavor to it. And this one just doesn't
lacks it a bit.
The best taste test is to give it to Essie because she loves seaweed. And she refuses to eat anything that's not Korean seaweed. Alright, so we're gonna do a Essie taste test now to see if Essie approves of the kim. Ready? Yeah. See, sit. Good puppy. There you go.
Oh, she doesn't approve. Essie, do you not like it?
No.
No. Okay.
So it fails the Essie test.
But it approves the Angie. Okay, wasabi is next. Ah, it's very wasabi. Yep, kim powder all over it.
Ah, my tongue.
Alright. You guys, this is no joke. Oh, my nose.
Don't put it on your tongue.
I mean, how else do you eat it? How are you eating that? Like, how are you chewing like a cow? I like it, but like the pow on like the flavors, it's just like I think it's the wasabi powder, and it's really strong and really gets to the point. If you guys love wasabi, you guys will like this. I mean, I like it. I just wasn't expecting it. Okay, so now we are going on to the fried rice. Get the kimchi flavor. I get like that sweet soy saucy flavor from the bulgogi. I can try with the kim. You can try with the wasabi kim.
Yeah.
Okay, dipping it with the seaweed. That's so good.
So do you like this product?
Yeah. I wouldn't like crave it, but I think it's really good once in a while when you're just kind of hungry and you want to just eat something fast. I don't think it's a bad option. You?
I like it because the grains of rice actually feel like Korean rice. But I don't think it's like the best fried rice in the world either.
I'm gonna cleanse my palate with some boricha. Now we're gonna try the Korean pancakes. I mean, this I already know it's like one of the best at Trader Joe's. Guys, this pajeon is a must buy. Oh, you hear that? And last but not least, our kalbi. Yeah! Okay, I made a mess. And kalbi, you kind of just have to go in with your hands with this. It's good. It's just, I think this kalbi is really good. It's just a little sweet for me. Koreans, I think usually the sweetness level isn't as enhanced, but when you have Korean food in America, it tastes a bit more sweet than it normally would.
It's really good for Trader Joe's. All right, Angie, rank the items from top to bottom.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, we'll just put the seaweeds under one category, like those seaweeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1 would be the Korean pancakes, pajeon, for me. And do you agree with me?
I agree.
Okay, let's see if we like match. Okay, so pajeon number 1. And number 2, I would say the kalbi, the short ribs.
Same.
Same? Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3 would be the seaweeds.
Same.
Like the wasabi one was so oddly addicting. Like I just want it.
Also,
again.
it was unexpected. I didn't think it would literally burn me, so it was unexpected, but it was like good.
While I'm eating, I'm like, ah, but then I'm like, wait, I kind of want it again, kind of thing, you know? I would say the fried rice. The bulgogi kimchi fried rice is number 4 for me.
Actually, I think I would buy the barley tea.
Oh, really?
Yeah, over that.
Barley tea was next for me. Okay. So that's where we kind of tipped off. So then we are agreeing that last is the kimchi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think like for me, the only things I would actually go out of my way to buy is the pajan and the galbi. Because when you do go to a Korean grocery store and get galbi, it's a bit expensive. For most people, you don't just happen to live by a Korean grocery store. Sometimes that's a trip that you need to make. Whereas at Trader Joe's, I feel is more around people. Like there's more of it than Korean grocery stores.
I like the portion sizes at Trader Joe's better.
Yeah, so they gave about like 5 or 6 strips, and each strip has 3 pieces on it. Price, when you compare it to a Korean grocery store, wasn't, yeah, it was similar. It wasn't that different. So the kimchi, I don't think I would ever get again. But the fried rice and the barley tea, like if I happen to be there and I'm thirsty, or if I just feel like I'm craving some fried rice, I could end up buying it. So we hope you guys liked this video, and let us know in the comments if you guys want us to make more videos like this, because we would be more than happy to. And we do go to Trader Joe's a lot, so we could end up potentially doing a video on like top 5 or 10 items, or since Trader Joe's switches out their foods and products every season, we can do a seasonal one as well. So we'll see you guys on our next video.